Welcome back. Today's in this section we will be learning the different types of locators and actions in Protractor. For doing so, first we need to learn what is locator and what is action. These two are the basic things of any Selenium or Protractor test cases. The first thing that we need to use is to locate the element. Let me give you an example of a locator and action from our daily life. This thing will make you understand using the daily life how we can use locator and action every day in our daily life. Suppose I am looking for some burger at Burger King. So for that I will first do is that open a Google website and locate the store Burger King. So it has a search button and I have written there Burger King, and it has given some of the results. These areas have the Burger King. So let me click on this. It will give the directions. So here is the Burger King. Okay, so if we click here and if we go more details in that, this is how we can locate the Burger King store. So this is what we are doing. We are locating the store. Similarly, in Protractor or in Selenium, when we open a website, say Google, and we want to locate this text area or locate this search button, then also the same thing we need to do is that press on F12 and click on this inspect element button and see this area. So in the entire DOM structure, this is the area, the blue screen is the area pointing to the search field. Okay, and if you see the HTML code, it is written that, see, the type is text. So this is how we are locating this element. So this is how we can locate an element. Similarly, if we want to locate the Google search button, click on this inspect and just click there and it will indicate to the Google search. So this is the same way how we find the Burger King. We are locating an element, from this entire map, we are locating the store, and the same way from the entire DOM, this is the entire DOM structure, the entire DOM, and from that we are locating the particular element. So I hope you understood what is locator. In the definition wise, locator is used to find a web element inside the entire DOM structure. Couple of locators are used such as ID, CSS, binding, repeater, link test, name, model, and these are all locators. So in this way we can locate an element inside a web browser or a web element. The next thing is the action. Now once we find the Burger King store, what we need to do is that we will go to the Burger King and order something or order a burger, right? So that is what is action. We are locating the store from the entire map. We are locating the store, and then what we are doing? We are doing some action. We are performing some activity. Performing an activity at the Burger King store is that we are ordering a burger or a cold drinks and paying the money. So these are all the activities or the actions we are doing. Similarly, in this Protractor and Selenium, there is an action class which is nothing but clicking an action. That means we are clicking here. This is, we are writing something, say daddy. Okay, so this is what is nothing but we are sending the keys, typing something, which is called send keys here. Typing something is called send keys here. If we are cleaning, that means we are clearing it out. And if we are clicking something, say once we had done there, we are clicking on Gmail, say this one. These all activities are nothing but the action class, right? So you understood what is the difference between the locator and an action class. In this section we will be discussing locators and action class, and also the hands-on how we can write the test script using this locator action class in Protractor. Till then, goodbye, and we will see you once again.